Hello, my name is V, and I'm a docent here at the University of Michigan Museum of Natural History, and welcome to our Investigate Lab in Under the Microscope. In this lab, visitors have the chance to connect scientific concepts to hands-on programs. We have 3 programs running in our lab today, which are super fun. In this first program, we have C. elegans, or nematodes, and we use them to explain how DNA proteins impact other processes within the body. Back there, we have micropipette art, which allows visitors to use real tools used by scientists to create some art. In the back, we have blood typing, which is where visitors get the chance to use hypothetical patients' blood to figure out how the process of blood typing works. I was able to help a Boy Scout through this program earlier, and while he had known his blood type, he wasn't quite sure how the hospital used his blood to figure it out. So, using the hypothetical blood, we worked through the program and found the solution, and seeing his face light up when he connected the concepts was very special. All of these programs are really brought to life by donor funding, so please consider donating to fund our Investigate Labs today.